Oh, so windy! Oh, all this rain! Wow, that's a lot of rain. Gotta check my rain radar after all. Wow, it's raining hard. Yeah, we're just having some storms and yeah, let me check the storm. Okay, we are having 6 severe alerts. And we are having a flash flood warning. Mommy, we're having a flash flood warning. Why are we having a flash flood warning? Oh man, it's getting bad. It's kind of raining a little hard when I got my vanilla milkshake. Yeah, it's raining in Arizona right now. Yeah, we used to have tornado warnings, but we don't have anymore. Wow, in Arizona, it looks a little harder. Storms come every day. Raining pretty hard, after all. Look at that rain. We're kind of having thunder too. Slippery. Oh no, the rain's coming. Flash flood warning right now, actually. A little bit of lightning. Look at all that water and rain. It's raining out front too. Rain. Rain. Yeah, there's some. Oh my, flash flood warnings are the worst. No TV alarms going off right now. Ah! It's not bad outside, right?
Alright. You don't have that much to do. Alright. Attach mini buck to a drum. So this one? Here, look, it's a calendar.
I slipped. Wow, it's raining so hard. Just me and my umbrella, okay? Where's my umbrella then?
It's in the closet, I think.
Can you help me get it?
You can get it. It's on the floor.
Please help me get it.
What? The tree? Alright, let's do your homework, Sal. Come on. Sal. So, come on. I'm not going to ask you again. Let's get this done.
Wait.
Come on.
Wait.